Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be another Zara haul. I got some nice little pieces today that I'm really excited to show you guys. I know you're in love with this. I'm in love with it too. It's also from Zara. Don't worry, I'll put a link in the description bar. It's so comfy. It's like walking on air when you wear it. It's just amazing. Anyways, let's get into the Zara video. So the first outfit that I got from Zara was this basic white tee with a little slogan, and then this satin skirt, which you may have already seen in my previous Zara haul. I wore this outfit when I was in Düsseldorf, Germany, and I just loved it. I saw this top and I was like, oh my god, it's speaking to me. It says, if you believe in me, I believe in you, save the unicorn. And if you know me, you know that I love unicorns. I consider myself to be a unicorn. And so this top was just for me. I think it was, I'm not going to guess the price. I think it was 10 euros, but I will put a link if I can find it because I did get this in store. The satin skirt that I know is out of stock in a size small and extra small. But I think they have medium large and extra large, so I'll put a link. But yeah, really cute outfit. I paired it up with my white Adidas trainers, or how do Americans pronounce it? It's not Adidas? No, I paired it up with my white trainers. And yeah, really like the outfit. The skirt is amazing and the top is just really cute, casual, still very girly but comfortable. Next up was something a little bit more sexy, definitely giving me like Rihanna vibes. It is this black dress, gorgeous. I love like the straight bust line. It's so nice. The spaghetti straps just make it it's very sexy, very risque, you know. It's just, you know, you're on the verge of showing it all, and it's just very sexy. I think this is such a beautiful dress. Like the material, it's lined, but it's breathable. I think you can wear it on like a spring afternoon, like in the night time, where you can have a bit of air and you still feel a little bit warm. But yeah, really nice, really beautiful. It has this like ruched effect on the side, which I like. And I just like how the material just hangs on your skin. It's, I don't know, it's like fabric just being draped on my body. Very Rihanna vibes. I would just pair this up with some nice black heels, or maybe even go for a red lip and really just be like uber sexy. I'll show you the back. And you could also like be a bit different and wear it with trainers, you know. I love the look when girls are wearing dresses with trainers or skirts with trainers. It's that feminine but casual look, which I think is really nice. So I got this in a size small, and it was 18 euros, which is an absolute steal. A really nice, simple black dress that every girl needs in her wardrobe, and it's quite a nice long dress for me. If you can see, it goes just over the knees, and I'm 5'3", so someone who's taller would just look stunning in this. I was really feeling the color of this dress, but now having it on, I just don't like it. I feel like maybe with a nice big belt to really show off the waist would make this nicer. The color is everything though. I love the blue. I think it works so nice on my skin tone, but the dress itself is just not for me. I don't feel comfortable in it. I just feel like I look messy, and yeah, I just don't like that. I want to look good. I want to feel confident in what I'm wearing. But yeah, I think a belt would make it better. I don't have a waist belt. All I have is like a little Primark belt. If I just do that, just for reference, as you can see, it looks so much better now. The color is gorgeous though, right? Amazing. Yeah, so it's a no for me. But statistics. I cannot find the label. I'll take it off and then I'll hopefully find the tag and then let you guys know. How beautiful and cute and just so girly is this top. I saw it in store and I saw it online and I was like, okay, this looks cute, you know, I'll think about it. And now I have it on. It's so pretty. I just want to like go outside and just jump and do skips and just be like a child again. Like I feel so happy and joyful when I'm wearing this. I love the sleeves. I've seen some people, some outfits, and they're just like over the top with these sleeves. But this is just a nice balance. It's so nice, so pretty. Oh, that blue dress was £26 and I got in an extra small for reference. But this is everything. So nice. And this material is all elastic. Jeans, of course, from the one and only Zara. Please check out the Zara denim haul that I posted up recently if you want to copy these. I'll show you the back of the top. Just nice and plain with those beautiful sleeves. So the price of this top was €27 and it's a size small. It's a little on the more expensive side, but for the feeling that it makes me feel, it's worth it. It's worth it. Just for the feel. Next up from Zara was just this plain white tee. I know it's not ironed, sorry, but I think I got it for €5. I'll put a link. But yeah, I think the plain white tee is needed in every single wardrobe. Just nice and casual. You can wear it in the house, dress it up a little bit, go outside, look like a model, you know. Plain white tee, jeans, black heels, you know, that, and a black leather jacket. A little bit of a model look from Tyra Banks, I learned that from. But yeah, really, really nice. Just a plain, simple white tee. Another item that I picked up from Zara in the sale were these red shorts. So nice. Actually got them in a size small. Tried an extra small and it was way too tight. And I'm so happy with these. Love them. Cannot wait to wear them out. Just not sure what shoes I would wear. Oh, I think it's like white trainers, white sandals would be fine. Paired up with this top from Zara, this like boob top. I'm not wearing a bra and I don't think you can see anything because Zara is the girl. She knows that we don't want to wear bras. We want to be supported, but we don't want to show anything. So she puts a nice layer underneath there. The belt is big, chunky, and I love it. The material is super nice and it has good old pockets. I'll show you the back. I have red trainers, but they're like so old and used and tattered. I have red Converses as well. Oh, I could potentially wear that. Anyways, sorry I made that face because I thought I got my makeup on this top. Love this. Don't think my nails match, but really nice. Oh, how much did I get it for? Ooh, it was in the sale. I think it was like €12. Yeah, I can't remember. Anyways, last but not least was this jumper dress that I got in Dusseldorf again, and this was purchased by my mummy. So thank you very much, Mum. I love the little slogan, positive vibes season, which is for sure correct. This whole 2020, we only want positive vibes. Want to be achieving all of our goals. Is my contact lens still in there? I've been starting to wear contact lenses, and sometimes like I have to like blink a few times or move my eyes around, or sometimes even like wash my hands and then put my finger in, because I don't even know if they're in anymore. Because I guess I'm getting used to them and they're comfortable now, but it scares me because I'm like, did they fall out? Because I can't feel it anymore. Anyways, I think it's in there. I will check in the mirror. But I wasn't 100% feeling this when it was €10 in the sale and I got it in a size small. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I've definitely been trying to put out more videos and I hope that you are enjoying them. I will definitely be uploading as much as I can, probably like once a week. So just keep supporting. Tell me what else you want to see. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye.